welcome to part 2 of my video. Even though this isn't really considered a two-parter, we just decided to go get some dinner at the Sugar Factory here at Icon Park. The menu looks really good. I mean,
yeah, it looks interesting.
I don't think I've actually done a full restaurant review before, like outside of Disney, so this is going to be quite interesting. I'm excited to try it. It's a mix of, seems like everything, like pasta, burgers.
Yeah, it just looks like really fun items.
So I'll show you guys the menu and I'll show you guys what we get and think about what we review, the food we order. So let's head inside.
Click and lean back, new ride, new track. From coasters screaming through the sky to game day crowds running high. Subscribe to Rich on YouTube. Rich theme parks and travel on your screen. From theme parks to travel, sports and more. There's always an adventure in your feed. You don't need permission, jump right in. Hit that notification bell. Don't be late, yeah. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe today. Hey, hey, hey. Subscribe today. Hey, hey.
Alright, we are going to do dinner here at the Sugar Factory. Wow, look at this, like a full upscale restaurant. They got a bar over here too, wow. And even a kissing booth. I'm going to insert a picture of the menu. Like I said, they have a mix of almost everything. Appetizers, platters, flatbreads, salads, sandwiches, pasta, noodles, entrees, smashed burgers. They just have so much. Let's see, and on the back, they got cakes, they got classic shakes, they got hot and cold coffee, cookie skillets. My goodness. This is a place you guys don't want to miss. Here's the portion size of the drink. A little small, but as long as it's unlimited refills, that's all that matters. I have to say though, I kind of like the vibe in here. Chandeliers. It feels kind of fancy in here, to be honest, even though the prices are pretty reasonable besides the alcohol. And the chicken parm is $37.
Show them the alcohol menu.
Wow, I'm not gonna show the whole thing, just the first few. $52, $52. Yeah, y'all get the point. My goodness. We're sticking with food. This is why I don't drink. I'd rather spend money on media. Also, about the menu, for the pasta for the chicken parm, even though I said it's expensive, $37. It says pasta for 2. The chicken parm is $37. And the spicy chicken spaghetti alla vodka is also for 2. Make sure y'all read the menu, because I clearly did not. Alright, I have come to the decision. I am going to get the signature Sugar Factory burger for $22. The two 4-ounce beef patties, cheddar cheese, pickles shredded, lettuce, tomato, crispy onion, Sugar Factory sauce, potato bun. So it sounds like 2 beef patties come with this Sugar Factory burger, which honestly is a really good deal for $22, to be honest. Have you decided what you think?
I don't know.
It's hard to decide when there's so many options.
I'm leaning towards the salmon salad. It's just kind of expensive.
Who cares? Get what you want. How much is it?
$35.
It's great.
I mean,
So here's the burger. Got some fried onions, 2 patties, lettuce, tomato. The fries look fantastic. And what'd you get again?
I got the smoked salmon salad.
Okay.
It's got avocado, salmon, mango, like lettuce and a vinaigrette. Looks
Want to
really
try yours
good.
first?
I mean, I'm fine with either.
Good, actually.
So good. I know you don't like avocado, but I love avocado.
Hey, doesn't mean we could like different things. That's okay. Now that was avocado with the fish. And how is it?
So good.
Does it taste really good? Alright, so it's a little messy. Well, but there's also like special sauce that the Sugar Factory has.
They call those smash burgers, so
Yeah.
it's like thinner, but they're like, they double
Yeah,
them.
it's a very thin patty,
Yeah.
but they put 2 patties. Kind of familiar if you're familiar with like Freddy's Custard, they do the same thing. So let's give it a try. I want to really try the sauce.
It almost looks like Thousand Island, which is what I put on mine.
Definitely flat. Alright. Now the
Alright.
fries have like a
Are
little
they
bit.
seasoned?
Yeah, they're seasoned fries.
Yeah.
Very hot but good. So yeah, The burger has like the specialty sauce, and the patty's very thin, but very good. Alright, we just had dinner at the Sugar Factory. I don't like to usually grade things like 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. I don't like to usually do that stuff. I like to just get right to the point. What are your thoughts on the Sugar Factory for dinner?
It was very good.
I think
Very
this
good.
place is great for a variety of things. If you're just looking for a mix of options like pasta, burgers, salads.
Yeah.
Like they just have a mix of everything. The burger was phenomenal. Like I said, mine was like a thin meat type of patty and it was very good.
Yeah.
And your salmon was really good.
Very good, very good, very well done.
Now we didn't do any desserts because
yeah.
we're very full. So next time we'll prioritize desserts when we come back.
Very filling, a little bit on the pricier side, but
Yeah,
you
but-
kind of know that going into it.
Especially a touristy area like
Yeah.
Icon Park. Once in a while it won't kill you and I think it's a really good option.
It's not the worst.
Alright, so if you guys are new here, please hit subscribe, ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. Sugar Factory here at Icon Park. Highly recommend checking it out for dinner and desserts too. If you guys have dessert here, let me know how you guys think about it.
It looked amazing.
Yes.
but I'm so full.
I agree. Next time we'll do dessert. But this video is done. We'll see you guys in the next one.